In this video, you will learn how to use the 01supply sourcing feature. This is very useful when it comes to adding new products to our marketplace. Indeed, let's say that you did not find products that fitted your needs in the marketplace. You can use the sourcing feature to ask us to add the products you have in mind. In order to do that, click the Suppliers menu and then click on Sourcing. From there, you will see a form where you can tell us more about the product you are looking for. Please try to use one form for each product. First, tell us what kind of item you are looking for. Be as accurate as possible. Then you can add more information. For example, you can tell us that you want the supplier to ship to Europe or you want him to be located in the USA. Don't be too restrictive unless it is very important for you. Now you can also add a similar product image. Indeed, you can go on Google and search for a similar product so we have a better understanding of what you are looking for. You can do the same with product URL. Once you are done with your sourcing request, click on Send Request. The request will now be processed by our team, and you will be notified by email once the requested product has been added to the marketplace. The request status will go from processing to finished. You can send as many sourcing requests as you want. This video is now over, but you can have a look at our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Have a nice day and a lot of success in your business.